What exactly is energy? Everyone talks about it. We say we're low on energy. We see it as lightning, batteries, gasoline, solar panels, and electricity. But here's the thing. None of that is energy. They're just the tools that carry it. So, what is energy, really? It's not just power, it's not just movement, it's something deeper and far more mysterious. In this video, we're going to break it down in the simplest way possible. And by the end, you'll never see the world, or yourself, the same way again. First, let's get something straight. Energy is not a substance. You can't hold it in your hand, you can't bottle it, smell it, or touch it directly. That's because energy isn't a thing. It's a property of things. It's the ability of something to change, to move, heat up, light up, break apart, or come together. Energy is what makes stuff happen. Without energy, the universe would be silent, still, and cold. So if energy isn't a substance, what is it? It's a way of describing motion, position, and interaction. And it comes in many forms: kinetic energy, the energy of movement, like a falling rock; potential energy, stored energy, like a stretched bowstring; thermal energy, the motion of atoms creating heat; chemical energy, stored in the bonds of molecules, like food or fuel; electrical energy, the movement of electrons; nuclear energy, energy stored in the nucleus of atoms; and radiant energy, energy carried by light waves, like sunlight. All of these are different ways of describing how energy behaves, not what it is. It's the ultimate shapeshifter. Here's one of the most mind-blowing facts in science. Energy can't be created or destroyed. It can only change form. This is called the First Law of Thermodynamics, the law of conservation of energy. That means the energy in your body right now has existed since the beginning of the universe. The calories from your breakfast? They came from sunlight. The sunlight came from nuclear fusion inside the sun. The sun's energy came from the gravitational collapse of gas and hydrogen that formed it 4.6 billion years ago. Nothing new was created. It just changed forms again and again. Okay, so we've said what energy does. But what is it? Here's the best way to understand it. Energy is the currency of the universe. It's how nature keeps track of motion, interaction, and change. Imagine a ball on top of a hill. It has potential energy because of its position. Push it, and it gains kinetic energy. It hits the ground, makes a sound, generates heat, all new forms of energy. But where did that energy go? Nowhere, it just transformed. That's what energy is, the invisible link between cause and effect. Remember Einstein's equation? E equals mc squared. That means energy and mass are the same thing, in different forms. Mass is energy, just compressed and stored. So when we say everything is energy, that's not just a spiritual idea. It's physics. You, me, the earth, the stars, all just different forms of energy, shaped into matter. So why do people think energy means electricity? Well, that's because that's how we experience it. You flip a light switch, energy flows. You charge your phone, energy is stored. You ride an electric bike, energy propels you forward. But electricity is just one form of energy, the movement of electrons. It's really no different than the energy in gasoline or wind or even food, just packaged in a convenient way. When you say I need more energy, what you really mean is, I need to convert more stored energy into motion, heat, or thought. That's basically your body doing physics. Let's follow the energy chain. Where does it all begin? The sun. Every green plant on Earth takes sunlight and turns it into stored sugar. Animals eat the plants, we eat the animals and the plants, we move, think, live, powered by sunlight. Even fossil fuels are just ancient sunlight, trapped in dead organisms millions of years old. And where does the sun get its energy? From fusion, the process of fusing hydrogen into helium, releasing massive amounts of energy, just like Einstein predicted. So here's the truth, we live in a sea of energy. Gravity is energy, light is energy, heat is energy, even your emotions are powered by neurochemical energy transfers. You're not separate from energy, you are it. Every breath you take is energy exchange. Every heartbeat is a pulse of chemical to kinetic conversion. Every thought is a spark in an electric field. You are an ongoing energy event, surrounded by other energy events. The universe is just energy, interacting with itself endlessly. So the next time someone says, "What is energy?" don't say it's electricity, say it's everything. It's the reason stars shine and babies cry, it's the movement behind music, the heat in a hug, the light in your eyes. And it's never destroyed, never gone, only changed, passed on, transformed. You don't just use energy, you are energy, still flowing, still becoming. That's what energy really is.